Hi friend, my name's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, Walmart is having some seriously great sales that I have to talk about. They've discounted a lot of their winter items from Free Assembly and from Scoop to amazing prices, so I have to go over some of my recent favorites from Walmart. All of the clearance items that I talk about in today's video will also be linked down below in the description box so you can shop them while they're on sale. I recently picked up this nice long sleeve ribbed sweater that is in a great neutral gray tone. I styled this with jeans and I also styled it with a satin slip skirt for more of a dressy look. This one is on sale. I do recommend sizing down. I do have on a size small. This long sleeve top is not technically on sale. It's not discounted, but it is a really great price. I pick up a couple of these every winter season, and I've got the white that is a beautiful layering top, and they're only $8, so they're not technically clearance, but they are an amazing deal already. I would go true to size for these long sleeve tops. There's a ton of outerwear that's currently marked down on Walmart's website. First is this amazing boxy pea coat. This I got in a size medium, and I loved styling this with a pair of dark wash denim jeans. It also does not feel like a Walmart jacket. This one reminds me of J. Crew, and this is definitely great if you are in a cool climate and you need a true winter coat. I also was really excited to pick up this gray coat that has a wool blend to it. For this one, I did end up getting a size small because that's all that they had in my Walmart, and I love the look of it. It's got a double-breasted style with lapels, and it's gray, so it's very neutral. This cardigan, it always comes in and out of stock on Walmart's website, and right now it is back and on sale. It's just about $19, so it's under $20 for a great workwear piece. I find this cardigan to be very soft and versatile as well. I've got it in white. It's got nice gold button details. You can easily dress this down with jeans, or you could dress it up with a skirt for the office. Also love that this oversized teddy coat is marked down to about $32. I brought this with me for one of our trips in the fall season. I packed this to wear casually. This coat kept me very nice and warm. It has a faux fur teddy fabric on it as well. This corduroy puffer jacket is also marked down right now. This is one of the first items that I grabbed from Free Assembly back in the fall time. I styled it casually with a sweater and some jeans. I really love that this has that thicker puffer style, and it's also very on trend with the corduroy material. There are so many gorgeous dresses that are marked down just in time for New Year's. This velvet dress, this has been a top seller on my LTK page. I got it in a size medium. It has great ruching. I feel very comfortable when I wear this, and you can see how I styled it with some tights and some block heels that are also a Walmart favorite. The dress that I'm wearing right now is conveniently marked down as well. This dress is also a really good one. It's a sweater dress, so it's a little bit of like a thicker material, and it has the cutest pearl embellishments all over it. It's got a very flattering fit and flare style, and I have this dress in a size medium. I'm so glad that this black sequin dress from Scoop is also marked down. For this dress, I also got a size medium. This will arrive just in time for New Year's Eve, and I think you could also easily wear this dress with a pair of tights if you live in a cooler climate. This would be stunning for a New Year's Eve party. If you're looking to add a neutral slip skirt to your wardrobe, might I suggest this one? It's in a gray tone. It's a maxi skirt. I did size down to a small, so I would recommend doing the same if you are in between sizes, but I can't believe how affordable this is right now. I styled it a few different ways in my previous Walmart hauls. I styled it with a white sweater, and I also wore it with the gray sweater and the gray coat that's on sale. I do have just a few accessories and shoes to mention that are on sale at Walmart. This is one of my favorite nylon tote bags. I actually mentioned this in my best and worst purchases video from the year, so I'll link that up in the cards for you to watch next. I had to call out this tote bag because it is what I use when I'm on the go, when I'm working from home, or when I'm working at a coffee shop. This is what I use to bring my laptop with me. It fits a purse inside as well. It's got so much room, and it's marked down for $14.99. I'm honestly considering buying myself another one of these bags just to have as like a backup when the one that I'm currently using is worn out. It's got plenty of space inside, and it also looks really chic and modern. These block heels were definitely a favorite of mine to style a lot of holiday looks from Walmart, and they're also marked down. They're just about $14.99 as well. I did size down a half a size, so normally I'm a size 10, and I got these block heels in a 9.5. They're a great, comfortable block heel. I've worn them to go out to dinner in. Definitely remind me of shoes you could find at DSW for over $50, and now they're under $15. So I want to talk about a great pair of winter shoes if you want to add some Chelsea boots that are affordable into your winter rotation. I like that these are neutral. They've got like a grayish tone to them, and I actually picked these up a couple of years ago at Walmart, and they always come in and out of stock, and they're back in stock in a different variation. For these Chelsea boots, I do my regular size 10. Those are all of the Walmart sale items I wanted to call out and mention in this video. Of course, I'll have even more Walmart outfit ideas and content on my Shop LTK page. I'll link that down below in the description box, along with links to shop these sale items. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the red subscribe button if you also love Walmart fashion, and I'll see you in my next video.